Love is not about who you can see spending your future with. It's about who you can't see spending your life without. So saying I do today means saying I will forever. Most importantly, I will love you today, tomorrow, and for the rest of my life.
Still see, can't get it out of my mind. Started counting up the losses, weight sinking, water began to rise. Reaching in the darkness, I came here for an answer. Maybe it's time to surrender. I'm ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind.
From this day forward, I vow to you in front of God and Vanna and everyone here that I will honor, love with a capital L, protect, and be the perfect match to your human perfection. For trusting me, you are my perfect verse over a tight beat.
Shorty, I'm there for you anytime you need me. For real, girl, it's Taz in your world. Believe me, nothing makes a band feel better than a woman. Queen with the crown that be down for. There's a few things that's forever, my lady. We can make war or make twins. But back when he was nothing, you made the brother feel like he was something. And that's why he's with you today, Jackie. No front. Love you, bro.
I've known Jackie for over 30 plus years, and I was honored to be by her side today as she became Mrs. Curry. And TJ, you better keep her happy or I'm coming for you. I love you guys.
These last couple of years with you have been magical. You are an amazing father and an even more amazing partner in crime. Yo! Yeah!
This is dope.
This is dope. Damn it, I can't win. It's tight.
Yeah.
Cufflinks?
Yeah. Look at him.
Always by your side. Oh man. Nope, not gonna cry.
Tell everybody what it is.
It's my uncle.
He was sad that uncle wouldn't be with him, so Jackie got his uncle on the cufflink so he could be at the wedding.
Love you to the moon and back. Now let's enjoy the big day, Chance the Rapper, together. Love your wife.
Power invested in me, I give you the permission to kiss your bride.